Welcome to the Fin Prepper channel, where women come to get information to be more prepared. In this video, I am going to go over a back to school kit for girls. In this kit, we will go over some items that your child might need throughout the day during their school year. Although we are starting off to a different type of school year this year with the kids doing a lot of distance learning, at some point they will be going back into the classrooms and back to school. These items will help them to get through the day. Let's get started. The first item in the kit are headphones. Our kids are on their phones or tablets or computers throughout the day, and these headphones can be used to either help them concentrate or to keep whatever it is that they're listening to themselves. We also have deodorant. There are times where your child might need to freshen up throughout the day. They may have a hard PE session, or they might play sports, or they could have just forgotten to put it on in the morning before they left the house. We also have lotion. This can help them if their face is dry or if their hands are dry. This is a good item to keep in the kit for if they need to freshen up. We also have a small perfume. Some kids might want to freshen their perfume throughout the day. Kleenex are always good to have in the kit in case your child needs to blow their nose or wipe their hands. We also have feminine hygiene products such as a tampon and a pad. You never know when that time of the month will come, and it's always nice to have the items needed. Or they may have a friend who needs help as well. We also have hand sanitizer. Even though hand sanitizer is a must-have, in these times it is extremely important to have. There's also a toothbrush and toothpaste in the kit. There might be times that your child has eaten something and needs to freshen their breath afterwards. We also have a hairbrush and a hairband. You never know when they'll need to put their hair up for whatever reason. We also have dental floss that can help them get food out of their teeth. There's also lip balm in case their lips get chapped. It's no fun having chapped lips. I also have a nail clipper. It's great to have in the kit for if your daughter breaks her nail or she needs to just cut them down. We also have a few safety items, which is a rain poncho, a whistle, and a flashlight. Those items are always good to have in case your child might be walking home in the dark once the time changes. Or they might just need the items to feel safe. This is a definite necessity at school. You always want to have mints or gum. I also keep medicine in the kit. I keep Excedrin, Advil, Benadryl, and Imodium in case they either have an allergy attack, they're in pain, or if their stomach is upset. I also keep some first aid items in the kit. I keep antiseptic wipes, alcohol wipes, triple antibiotic ointment, and Band-Aids. I also like to keep safety pins in the kit in case they have a wardrobe malfunction. And it's always nice to keep some screen wipes in the kit to clean their phones. Now, I also have a bonus item for you, and this is an item that you can customize for your kit. This is a small little jar that maybe you have a certain lotion you like to put on. Maybe you have some makeup that you want to keep in there. You have some earrings that you want to keep in there and make sure that they're safe. But this small jar opens up. It even has a top for it, and you can put it on to keep the contents in there and close it back up. And now you have a customizable piece that you can put whatever item in there you choose to put in there, and it will stay safe. In the comments below, let me know some of the items that you have in your child's kit. If you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!